My big dog, man.
Yes, sir, man. Hey, the real one's fucking the real one. Come out.
Oh, yeah.
The real recognize the real, man. It's about a mile away, say. Get a video on me.
They can't stop this shit.
They ain't fucking with us, man.
Beat me, you can't copy this shit. I don't care how much money you got, you can't buy
I like
this shit.
keep subscribing to my YouTube channel, man. Y'all share.
Bitch, I'm about to be rich, and I ain't trying to do no kicking with fake partners and shit. They go to acting like they cool, then they act like a bitch. Niggas praying for the rain, they be hoping you miss. They don't know I go hard, I be built for this shit. Everything gon' hit, that's on me and my chicks. They control the track, control what the future be. These niggas mad cause they some motherfucking used to be. I got these streets, who the fuck leave and come back and start?
Just eat them. I'll go get some more. Drink a lot of gas. It might drink a lot of gas, goddamn, but take your fucking shit off. I don't know how to do the shit, but oh well. Okay. It look good on there. I wish they would get on the other side of the little way better. Like ride downtown, show y'all what it look like. Blame. Mama, you wanna go to work? You wanna go to work? Get up here to the front. Get up here to the front. You gonna hold the camera. You gonna hold the camera. You still eating? Oh, fuck up, man. How many wings you had got?
6.
You ate all of them?
Yeah, I got one more left from here.
Oh.
I got one.
I mean, 2 more left.
I got one.
Get one.
He got wrench on them. He got wrench on them. Get to him.
Oh, shit.
It look like weed. It look like a chicken.
Ain't no napping back there?
Give
me a napkin.
No, they ain't give it. Well, in the forks.
Dang, brother, nigga.
God damn, nigga. Get up out
What
there.
a nigga rolling. Yo, I bet he hit 100 bar already.
Look at this shit, boy.
We got already got
Can't do it.
We got to
That's all my speed limit. Can't do it.
For real, I bet he already hit 100.
Yeah, he was past 100. I was at 90.
He had 110 or something. Which car y'all talking about? That one right there?
Yeah.
Y'all talking about the one in front of us?
Yeah.
He was rolling though.
Yeah, he was rolling. That what you say? Yeah, he was rolling.
Rolling, rolling, rolling.
That nigga gone.
Holy shit.
Hey, that nigga that gone. Damn, man, I'm at 90. It's over with. I'm talking about he's still on it. Oh, that's on the other side. I said, damn, you better run that ass. But better not shit be way back here. I already got it clean. Catch this nigga, man. This nigga still on. It's over with. It's over with. I'm about to cruise till we get downtown. It's over with. Trying to get him out. Get on me. Yo. Back down to my safe level. I don't like driving fast like that. So yeah, that boy got them rolling now. That's no good. Yeah, that's my hill right now. Slow your goddamn it. Slow your ass down. Alright now. Skyscraper. See, that's the only thing we got. shit, pretty lights. Made it downtown, Camaro, that way. Hey, what'd you call it? The boat. I can't really tell. We was on the interstate, we ended up leaving him. But the Camaro left me too. Oh shit. I'm in the mothership. Boy, I got them folk goddamn asking about the beard. Try to find something else to do.
What day is that? Day that I eat?
Good, look good. Look good, man. That look good. Man, y'all keep liking and sharing my videos. And man, like I said, I'm gonna keep, finding y'all good content with cars and down here in Mobile, Alabama. Like, it ain't gotta be Mobile, Alabama, but if I see it, I'm gonna record it. I'm gonna keep this channel going, man. I like how y'all support me.